Good morning student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my today's class. So this class is for multiple choice question series for semester and theory examination. Course number Elective Extension 244 and course title Agricultural Journalism. So in previous class we seen about question number 51 to 75. Today we are going to discuss about question number 76 to 100. So this is our last lecture for this particular course number. If you have a doubt, you can ask me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with other students. Thank you. So let's discuss about the question number 76. It is our fourth lecture on this MCQ series for your semester end examination. Types of news are following. So what are the types of news are there? First is hard news, B soft news, C lecture news, D both A and B. So what is the correct answer? Both A and B. That is hard news and soft news. These are the two types of news. Okay. Then the next is the question number 77. Dash dash kind of news story include announcement of approaching extension meeting, okay, tours, speech and other events. What we called as that particular article. Okay. A follow-up event article, advance event article, information article or feature article. Correct answer is what? Advance event article. Okay, when we are giving the announcement of any program, that is a meeting, tour, speeches, okay, it's called as an advance event article. Then question number 78. Dash kind of the news story includes the report to readers about recent meetings, tours, speeches or other extension event. Okay, so what we call, what the particular article we called as A information article, advance event article, follow up event article, new departments. Okay, when it is giving the report on a particular recent meetings or any other things, it is a follow up. So here correct answer is what? Follow up event article. Then question number 79. To provide helpful information of various kinds, okay, timely advice, now to description, how to description, reports of research finding, market news, etc. is the which kind of the news story from following. Okay, when we are giving the helpful information, so obviously answer will be the information article here, that is a B. Then question number 80. Dash kind of the news story often interpret the news and provide the background for readers. It is the feature article, information article, subject matter or news important. So correct answer is what? Feature articles. Okay. Then the question number 81. The experience and success of the progressive or prize winning farmers included in the following kind of news story. Okay. So options are new department, B subject matter, experience and success stories, feature article. So it is experience and success stories when we are giving the experience of success of the progressive or prize winning farmers. Okay. Then the question number 82. The information about pest outbreaks, scientific discoveries, weather and crop conditions, progress made on problems, plans is included in dash kind of news story. It is a new departments, B feature article, C subject matter, D advance event article. So it is a new departments when it give the information related to the pest outbreaks, okay, any discoveries, weather or crop conditions. Then question number 83. Factor used to measure readability as following. Okay, which is a factor is from this following given option: speed of perception, reflection, eye contact, feasibility. Okay, so here what? To measure the readability, it is used speed of perception. Okay, then the how many stages of proofreadings are there? So there is a 6 stages of proofreadings are there. What is another name for gully proof? So there is a different categories of proofreadings are there. So A is author proof, revise proof, then C is a sheet proof or D is a slip proof. So slip proof is also called as a gully proof. Okay, keep in mind. Then the question number 86, page proof is also called as dash dash dash. Revise proof, house correction, C machine proof, D author proof is also called as a author proof. So page proof is also called as a author proof. Then concept of measuring readability or readability measure is given by dash dash dash. Which scientist is there that particular to give the concept of measuring readability? It is Rudolf Flesch, Kincaid, Flesch and Kincaid, Charles and Dale. So here correct answer is what? Rudolf Flesch, who give the concept of measuring reliability. Then the question number 88, what is mean by readability? Okay, it is a estimate of ease, means easy or interesting to read, estimate human interest, none of the above. Correct answer is was option B, means easy or interesting to read. Okay, then the question number 89, dash dash is an exam estimate of ease with which a reader is going to read and understand. Options are A readability, B human interest, C reading age, D personal words. So correct answer is what here? Reading age. Then question number 90, dash dash is an estimate that the presentation will have for the readers. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? A readability, B reading age, C human interest, D personal words. So whatever the presentation is there, that should be for the only readers. Okay, so if it particular readers the particular material is there, so automatically it's called they are interested in that particular reading and it's called as a human interest. Then question number 91, a dash dash is a decoration, interpretation or visual explanation of text, concept or process designed for integration in published media such as posters, magazines, books, teaching materials, animations, video games and films. What that particular thing is called as. Okay, when the particular thing is have decoration, interpretation, visual explanation are there. Okay, whatever that text is there, concept, designing or whatever the things are in present in the particular published media, that is a poster, magazine, books and teaching material. Okay, what with that particular called as graphics, illustrations, presentation, photographs. It's called as a illustration. Okay, then the question number 92, dash dash is the portion of the layout which explain what is happening in a paragraph photograph. Okay, so whatever the photograph series there in a magazine or newspaper, so what that particular how we calculate the what is happening in that photographs. Okay, so it is a heading, photo caption, title, explanation. So correct answer is what? Photo caption. So by seeing the photo caption of the particular photograph, we can calculate what is actually explanation of that photograph. Okay, and the question number 93, dash dash is the arrangement of various visual elements of communication, that is a piece, visual element, illustration, write up, color and white space in pattern that please that eye and makes reading easy and convenient. What the particular arrangement is called as? Okay, that is layout, format, organization or none of the above. So correct answer is what? Layout. Then the question number 94, relationship of width to height is based on ideals established by dash dash and dash dash called as. So it is called as a Greeks and proportion, French and proportion, Latin and proportion, none of the above. So it's called as a Greeks and proportion. Okay, that is a width to height relationship. Then the question number 95, the Greek term rectangle, that is a 3 unit by 5 unit, the dash dash rectangular. What that particular rectangular is called as? Okay, according to Greek and proportion. So that is a printer's ratio, golden rectangular, regular ratio or hypotenuse ratio. It's called as a golden rectangular. It is a 3 by 5 unit. Okay, then the question number 96, the golden rectangular height can be found by multiplying by dash dash dash. Okay, so what will be that particular height? It's a 1.65, B 1.62, C 1.50, D 1.61. Correct answer is what? 1.62. That is 1.62 is the correct answer. Then the question number 97. Dash is the process of grouping visual elements of a communication, that is a piece part of whole, so that they seems to constitute a single unit. What we call as that particular thing? Grouping. Whatever the visual elements are there, na, so we are having the grouping of that. It will be making a single unit. What we call as that? Harmony, balance, proportion, contrast. So what will be the correct answer? The balance is the correct answer. We are balancing the all these things. Then the question number 98. Question number 98. This balance is asymmetrical and the vertical line does not cut the arrangement in the equal halves is called as dash dash dash. What is that particular balance is called as? Which is asymmetrical. It is A, balance, B, formal balance, C, informal balance, D, harmony. So it is asymmetrical and vertical lines. So it's called as what? Informal balance. Okay. It's option C. Then the question number 99. What is the question? That is dash is achieved when masses, that is illustration, headlines, copy, then white space are equally distributed at the right and left of an imaginary line that divides the space in the center. What that particular? It is the opposite from that previous question. So what will be the correct answer here? Formal balance. Question number 100. Dash is the choice you make about type, style, size, case, that is capitalization, and spacing will influence how your message is perceived. So what that particular thing we called as? Option A, case, B, spacing, C, typographic, D, white space. So correct answer is what? Typographic. So this is about our MCQ series. We finished today in 4 parts. It is 100 question we take. This is it will be help for you for your semester end examination. Thank you.